In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to meticulously track your expenses using your cash or bank account register. This methodical process is crucial for maintaining an accurate overview of your finances and ensuring that you're always on top of where your money is going. Let's walk through each step with care and attention to detail. First, you'll want to open your cash or bank account. This is your starting point. In the Accounts window, look for the specific account that you're drawing from. Perhaps it's your checking account or simply the cash in wallet entry. Once you've located it, go ahead and double-click to open that account. This action will clarify where your funds are being withdrawn from, ensuring that you have a clear picture of your transaction source right from the beginning. Now, it's time to move on to the next component, starting a new transaction. For this, navigate to the first empty line you see in the register. If you're seeking efficiency, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+T, which is a quick way to reach the space where you'll document your transaction details. This step sets the framework for registering your expenses accurately. Next, let's enter the specific details of your transaction. First, you'll need to input the date. Enter the exact date when the expenditure occurred. Accuracy here can help you trace back to transactions easily in the future. After inputting the date, move on to the description. Write down what the expense was for, such as groceries or utilities. This clear labeling of your expenses is pivotal for categorization and analysis later on. Following that, you need to select the correct transfer account. Choose the appropriate expense account that aligns with the nature of the transaction. Let's say expenses food for grocery shopping or expenses utilities for your electricity bill. This precise categorization aids in streamlining your financial tracking across various spending categories. Once you have entered these details, the next step is crucial: entering the amount. In the withdrawal column, type the exact amount that you spent. Ensuring that this figure is correct is essential for maintaining the integrity of your account balance. Finally, to solidify your hard work, you must save the transaction. Simply press Enter. By doing so, the register will update automatically. The account's balance will reflect this change, and you'll see that the expense has been deducted, providing you with the most current standing of your finances. By following these instructions with care, you're taking significant strides towards mastering personal finance management. Whether it's maintaining a healthy budget or simply understanding your spending habits better, keeping an accurate and detailed register is an invaluable skill. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!